Parabola. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point, not on the line, in the plane. The fixed line is called the directrix of parabola and the fixed point f is called the focus. Here, P1f equals to P1b1, P2f equals to P2b2, P3f equals to P2b2. A line through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called the axis of parabola. The point of intersection of parabola with the axis is called the vertex of parabola. Note: if the fixed point lies on the fixed line, then the set of points in the plane which are equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed line is the straight line to the fixed point and perpendicular to the fixed line. We call this straight line as degenerate case of parabola. Standard equation of parabola. The equation of parabola is the simplest if the vertex is at the origin and the axis of symmetry along the x-axis or y-axis. The four possible such orientation of parabola are there. Let us derive equation for one of them. We will derive the equation for the parabola shown above in figure. With focus at A0, A greater than 0 and directrix x equals to minus a as below. Let f be the focus and L the directrix. Let FM be perpendicular to the directrix and bisect FM at the point O. Produce MO to x. By the definition of parabola, the midpoint O is the parabola and is called the vertex of the parabola. Take O as origin, OX the x-axis and OY perpendicular to it as the y-axis. Let the distance from the directrix to the focus be 2a. Then the coordinates of the focus are a, 0 and the equation of the directrix is x plus a equals to 0. Let P of xy be any point on the parabola such that PF equals to PB. Let us call this equation 1, where PB is perpendicular to L. The coordinates of B are minus a, y. By the distance formula we have PF equals to root of x minus a square plus y square. PB equals to root of x plus a square. Since PF equals to PB, we have the equation root of x minus a square plus y square equals to root of x plus a square, or x minus a square plus y square equals to x plus a square. On solving it gives y square equals to 4ax. For a greater than 0, the equation of parabolas can be written in the similar way as shown in the table. Latus rectum. Latus rectum of a parabola is a line segment perpendicular to the axis of parabola, through the focus and whose endpoints lie on the parabola, as shown. Let us find the length of the latus rectum of the parabola y square equals to 4ax. By the definition of parabola, AF equals to AC, but AC equals to FM equals to 2A. Hence, AF equals to 2A. And since the parabola is symmetric with respect to x-axis, AF equals to FB, and so AB equals to length of the latus rectum equals to 4A. Example: find the equation of parabola which is symmetric about the y-axis and vertex at origin and passes through the point 2, minus 3. Solution: since the parabola is symmetric about y-axis and has its vertex at the origin, the equation is of the form x square equals to 4ay, or x square equals to minus 4ay, where the sign depends on whether the parabola opens upwards or downwards. But the parabola passes through 2, minus 3, which lies in the fourth quadrant. It must open downwards. Thus, the equation is of the form x square equals to 4ay. Since the parabola passes through 2, minus 3, we have 2 square equals to minus 4a minus 3. A equals to 1 by 3. 3x square equals to minus 4y. Example. Find the equation of the parabola with focus 6, 0 and directrix x equals to minus 6. Solution. For the parabola y square equals to 4ax, we have directrix x equals to minus a and focus a 0. Thus the value of a equals to 6. Equation of parabola is y square equals to 24x.